Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a sit down video. How long has it been since I sat down and did a dedicated video? It's just time, and also this video was worth shouting about because I really stand by this journey, I stand by this brand, and I had to share it with you guys. You may remember in a few vlogs I've been mentioning that I'm on the Secon Nature program, and I've been on that program now since I think the end of October. I'm actually coming to the end of my 3 months. I've already hit the end of my 3 months. But I'm extending it. I'm doing it for a year. They've done this new change, which I'll get into a bit later on. But it was a 3-month program, but it's now a 12-month, which is incredible for me because I was loving it. And I was like, no, don't leave. But anyway, today I thought I would sit down, give you a bit of an update on me and my health, how I'm doing. Because I know a lot of you have mentioned I'm looking so much happier and healthier. Absolutely. I've managed to completely 100% shift my mindset, and I'm happier and healthier than I've ever been, which is awesome. And I really do owe it all to Secon Nature. I wasn't even planning to make this video. I've got all the notes here because they've made some changes that they were telling me about, which I'm so excited about that I had to sit down and share it. Loads of you were asking about Secon Nature. You wanted me to sit down and explain, and I did record that video. But when I emailed them just to confirm a few things, they mentioned that the core program was changing slightly and it was becoming even better. So they've sent me an exclusive list of what you guys can expect if you were to join me on this journey, and you're going to hear it here first, which is incredible. So before I get into the changes and what you can expect if you were to join me on the Secon Nature program, let me just give you a bit of a brief outline of what Secon Nature is. So as I mentioned before, Secon Nature is a wellness program that encourages and champions sustainable eating and well-being habits. We don't focus on numbers. It is not a strict and regimented diet. It is purely formulated to be realistic and safe for everyone to use. It is backed, commissioned and endorsed by the NHS, and it provides support and advice from registered nutritionists and dietitians who are trained and accredited to give professional advice. Although this program is for weight loss, a lot of people do join it for weight loss. I haven't. I've joined it for the whole mental benefits you get and the whole different outlook and the amazing recipes as well. You can lose weight on it, and people are very effective, and the results have shown that the average weight loss, I think, is 15 pounds on the program. And 90% of their members go on to lose their target weight, and I think 40% of people saw a reduction in their blood sugar levels as well, which is incredible. It just shows that it's so much more than just about food. It's about a whole body. It's a whole thing, guys. It's the whole thing. So how does Secon Nature work? But you basically take a quiz and you'll ask some very simple questions. They're not triggering, they're not invasive, and then you're put into a group which is led by a nutritionist. There you can get support, share with the community, and just have access to a wealth of resources. Not to mention access to over 300 recipes that you actually want to eat. My favourites that I've tried so far are the chicken tikka skewers. You guys saw me make them in a vlog. They are delicious, but I also love the slow roasted chicken with the autumn slaw. So good. The unique thing about Secon Nature is that you actually learn the science behind nutrition. You can track your progress in a very healthy and realistic way, governed by how you feel and not by numbers. It teaches and guides you on everything from eating, exercise, sleep, stress management. I read an amazing article recently actually, which was all about body perception and body image, and honestly it was like a light bulb moment for me. It taught me so much. But then equally I read an article about blood sugar levels, and it blew my mind how things are connected, and also the gut health with the brain. Like honestly, I've learnt loads. I think it's amazing. You can tell that this is something that has been developed by people that have been around the NHS and consultants for the NHS. Like you really can tell that a lot of knowledge and thought and research has gone into this program. It's just so good. 2 memberships that you can choose from. Once you get the app, you have access to the articles. You can also join a different type of membership, which is basically the same, but you have access to the digital scales, which basically sync up to your app. So when you weigh yourself, you don't have to go in and put any amounts in. Everything is synced up really easily via your mobile phone. So it's either £10 per week or £13.75, depending on which program you choose. So those are all the benefits for Secon Nature. Everything I experienced, again, I've managed to maintain my weight for the last few months. I love the recipes, I love the articles, I love the support. So now let's see what the amazing changes are that are coming today. So all of these changes have been based on research. They've been trying really hard as a company to find out how they can best support their members on their lifestyle journeys. And it's involved a lot of digging, a lot of researching, and they've decided to now make it a 12-month program, as we've mentioned before. So they've rewritten the core program based on their user feedback, the latest psychology information, nutrition and behavioral science. This means that you may see slightly different articles if you're a current member compared to last time based on the research. One of the biggest changes, and I feel like this is the selling point, this is insane, you get access to one-to-one sessions with your health coach. One-to-one sessions to talk through anything that you might want to talk about, get any support you think you might need, and that is incredible. The group sizes have also been dramatically reduced to 20 people. So before they were about 40 people, but they feel like having a smaller group improves connection and also the health outcomes as well. After you finish the core program, you have the option to move to the brand new Growth and Maintain program, which are each 4 months long, which means that you'll have support for up to 12 months to make your healthy habits second nature. Awesome. So let's now talk about what you can expect between months 0 to 4, months 4 to 8, and months 8 to 12. So months 0 to 4 are called the core months. Now this is where you'll kickstart your healthy lifestyle. Again, you'll have a 20-person peer group with a health coach to give you support, being a dietitian or registered nutritionist. You have the private chat with your core health coach, evidence-based nutrition recommendations, and daily articles to help you understand how your mind and body works and how to change your habits for the long term. So that's everything that you can expect in the core section of the program. So then you'll move on to the growth section, and you can expect a bigger peer group with health coach support, a private chat with your core health coach, and weekly evidence-based lessons to work through at your own pace. That really is the thick of the program. That's where you'll do a lot more learning, a lot more engaging with your health coach. You really will get to grips with the program so you can start laying those all important foundations to make your habits sustainable, and again, for it all to become second nature. Then you'll go into the end part of the program, which is actually called the maintained section. Now this is what I'm doing. I was doing that a little bit before, but this is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the journey. You have a larger peer group, expanding your support networks, private chats with your core health coach as you need it, optional self-guided courses on a range of different topics, and then beyond 12 months, if you decided to stay with the program, which is definitely something that I'm likely to do, you have continuous access to all the self-guided learning courses, recipes and communities. And that is second nature in a nutshell. So if you want to join me on this journey, again, I'm on it now for at least the next 12 months. I'm going to be doing regular what I eat in a days. Please come and join me, come and try it for yourself. So I'm going to put my code in the description box down below so you can go and benefit from that discount. Thank you so much for joining today. Let me know if you have any questions. If I can't answer them, I will go back to the team and get anything that you should need. So again, thanks for watching. Any questions, comment, and I'll see you in my next video.